Anyone can make money by working for it, but is it possible to make money while not working at all? Can you earn money while eating at your favorite restaurant or sitting at the beach? The answer is yes. I would categorize the methods of earning passive income into 3 different levels. The first level would be the easy level. This type of passive income is easy to earn. But since it's so easy to earn passive income at this level, the amount of passive income that you will make will be on the lower end. But that's totally okay because you will eventually build your way up to earning a higher amount of passive income, which I will go over shortly. The first type of passive income that you can start earning with is dividend stocks. Earning passive income through dividend stocks is probably the easiest way to generate passive income for yourself. All that's required is purchasing shares of dividend stocks like Coke or Google. Once you own these stocks, you will then begin to earn dividend paychecks every few months or so. Whenever someone owns a stock, that means they own a piece of a company's pie, or in other words, a percentage of the company. This essentially means that you are part owner of any company you own stocks in. So if you own stocks in Coke and they pay dividends from the profits that they earn, you are guaranteed a piece of that profit. The next super easy form of passive income are dividend ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, which is a type of investment that includes a bunch of different stocks in one place. Instead of just owning stock in one company like Coca-Cola, you can own a piece of lots of different companies by investing in an ETF. To start earning passive income through dividend ETFs, you just have to buy some shares of an ETF. Another easy method of earning passive income is by investing in REITs. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust, which is like an ETF, but it invests in real estate instead of stocks or bonds. If you want to own real estate but don't have a lot of money, you can invest in a REIT instead. REITs invest in different types of real estate like shopping centers, office buildings, condos, hotels, and single-family homes. They collect rent on these properties and then give some of the money to people who own part of the REIT. It's similar to owning dividend stocks or ETFs, but with REITs, you're investing in real estate instead. If you want to try earning passive income through REITs, you can buy shares of a REIT like you would buy stocks. For example, if you bought $1,000 worth of NLY stocks at its current price, you would get this many NLY shares. If you looked up NLY's annual dividend, you would find out that they pay about $3.52 per share. So if you were to multiply the number of shares you purchased worth $1,000 at the current time of this video recording by $3.52, you would get this number right here. This is how much you would earn every year in passive income if you were to invest $1,000 into this REIT at the time of this video recording. I'm sure the price of NLY stock has changed by now. As you can see, this is a very easy passive income stream because you are simply just purchasing stocks. I'll go over more lucrative passive income streams very soon. Now, for the last easy method in earning passive income, we have cryptocurrency staking. Crypto can be pretty complicated, and so can the explanation of it. So I'll be sure to explain what this is in the most digestible way possible. First of all, in order to begin crypto staking, having a bunch of knowledge about crypto is not necessary. Huge platforms that are quite user-friendly like Coinbase.com make it super simple and straightforward when staking your crypto. So in order to begin staking, let's say you decide to stake Ethereum. All you would need to do is head over to Coinbase.com, purchase some Ethereum, and then begin the staking process by clicking here. To better understand how staking works exactly, think of it like a savings account. When you place your money in your savings account, the bank will pay you interest on the money you've accrued on your account. The same process works when it comes to crypto staking. When you stake your Ethereum, it will be placed into what's known as a staking pool, where it will begin to be used to perform many different complex activities like verifying transactions. In exchange, you will start to earn interest on your Ethereum by receiving more Ethereum, which you will have the option of selling to earn a profit. Now that we've covered the easy levels of earning passive income, let's get into how you can earn passive income at the medium level. Earning passive income at the medium level is relatively easy to achieve, but this will usually require some work to get set up. And since there is some work that's required, the amount of passive income that you can earn at this level will be higher than that of the easy level. The first example I will share with you today that's at the medium level of passive income streams is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing entails advertising the goods or services of other people in exchange for a cut of the sale. Here's an example. Let's say I sign up to become an affiliate for Amazon. I would then receive an affiliate link for a product of my choosing, promote that affiliate link either on social media, YouTube, or wherever there is traffic, and then whenever someone decides to purchase the product through my affiliate link, I will receive a commission off of that sale. This is money that can be earned while you are literally sleeping, or in other words, passive income. So you're probably thinking to yourself that you'll have to do all of the work to start and grow your own YouTube channel. Well, like I mentioned previously, you can promote your affiliate links on your social media platforms or simply create TikToks to promote your products. You could create your own ebook and make it free for people to download, then include affiliate links inside of that ebook. You could share your affiliate link to Facebook groups, online forums, and more. There are dozens of methods you could use to promote your affiliate links. There are also thousands thousands of free articles, tutorials, and lessons online that will teach you exactly how to do this. I know of so many successful affiliate marketers who are making millions and don't even have a social media profile or YouTube channel, so this is absolutely possible for you to get into yourself. And if you'd like to watch a free video that teaches you more about affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. It's what taught me everything I know and more about affiliate marketing, so I highly recommend it. Next, on our medium-level passive income stream, we have real estate crowdfunding. This method lets you invest in real estate with as little as $10 using websites like Fundrise, DiversiFund, and Groundfloor. Crowdfunding is when you fund a project or venture by getting small amounts of money from lots of people, usually online. So if you invest $1,000 with DiversiFund, they'll combine your money with other investors to buy physical real estate. As an investor, you'll earn dividend payments and your money will grow due to capital appreciation. This is a great way to get started with real estate investing without needing a lot of money up front. Another medium-level passive income stream is to sell digital products or services. Examples of digital products might include Excel templates, presentation templates, calendars, printables, planners, postcards, illustrations, and more. The possibilities of creating and selling digital products online are endless. You can do this by using many different websites, which I will cover very soon. What's so convenient about creating digital products online is that you only have to create and design your product once. It's very different from selling a shirt where you have to keep making more and more. Selling something physical is not passive income and it will require a lot of constant work. Whereas with digital products, right when you create it and post it online, that's all you need to do. You will be able to sell the product an unlimited amount of times because it's digital. So the first step would be to actually figure out what kind of digital product you'd like to sell. There are two things that are super important when selling any product. There must be an existing market. In other words, there must be demand for the product. And number two is that the product you're selling ideally should have proven success. The examples I listed before are all good examples of that. So a few great websites you can use to sell digital products would be Creative Market, Graphic River, Etsy, Redbubble, Gumroad, Society6, and Canva. Each of these websites are well-established and popular sites that get a lot of traffic that convert quite well. So if you can create a quality digital product within a niche that's in high demand, all you need to do is just wait for the sales to start rolling in. We're now going to move on to the last level of passive income, which is the hard level. This level of passive income will be much more difficult than the other two levels, requiring much more work, but that means you will earn significantly more money as a result. So the first stream of hard level passive income I want to explain to you is my favorite, which is YouTube. YouTube is a bit complicated and confusing at times because there are parts of YouTube that are not at all passive, but then there is a side of the platform that is definitely passive. The non-passive element is that you'll be required to create videos. And when you get started with YouTube, you will realize that in order to grow, you will constantly need to improve the quality of your videos, which will slowly start to take more and more of your time. The passive element of YouTube is that you begin to post your videos that people are looking to view, and the YouTube algorithm starts to push out your videos, then the passive income will begin to roll in. So if you were to create and post a video today that is a quality video that is useful and valuable, it will continuously get pushed by the YouTube algorithm, so more and more people will start watching it, which will then earn you money while you're sleeping. So what I would say is the most difficult part of this process is actually being consistent and posting quality videos that people want to watch on a regular basis. So before I got 1,000 subscribers on this channel and other faceless YouTube channels that I run, I was posting videos every single day for several months before I was able to actually get 1,000 subscribers. I was investing thousands of hours of work without making a dime. I would definitely not consider that passive income. But because I continued on with my channel, I eventually became monetized to the point where I am now making passive income from my channel on a daily basis. So in a nutshell, you will have to constantly create and post videos, but once you post your videos, you're done. Each video will continue earning you money because the YouTube algorithm will push it out there. And eventually, if you decide to start a faceless YouTube channel, you can outsource all of the work to create your videos, which will then make it 100% passive income for yourself. You can kind of view each video as digital real estate that is paying you passive income. It's not uncommon to be able to eventually earn $10,000 a month from YouTube. So while YouTube isn't always 100% passive income, the videos you post will eventually earn you much more money than the passive income you would earn from dividends. The next high-level stream of passive income is creating online courses. There are a few different ways you can do this. One way is to build your own website using something like WordPress and then promote it through ads, social media, and YouTube. This way, people can find and purchase your course. Another option is to use a website called Skillshare. This website website already has a lot of people who are interested in learning new things. All you have to do is publish your course on the website and it will get a lot of traffic because people are already using the website. Some people are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month by selling their courses on Skillshare, even if they don't have their own website. The hardest part of this process is figuring out what you want to create a course on and actually creating the course. This can be a lot of work, but it can also be very rewarding and can make you a lot of money in the long run. Another passive income stream that can earn you a lot of money online is writing online. There are two different ways you can earn passive income online by writing: starting a blog and creating and selling ebooks. I'd say that selling ebooks is probably more passive, but that doesn't mean blogging isn't a viable passive income stream. Let's start with blogging. To get started, you'll need to choose a niche or topic to write about. It can be helpful to look at and study other popular blogs in your niche to get an idea of what your blog should look like. It's also important to write at a 7th grade level so that your content is easy to understand for most people. To get traffic to your blog, you can use social media platforms and promote your blog there. One way to earn passive income from your blog is by including affiliate links in your content. If someone reads your blog and buys something through one of your affiliate links, you'll earn money. Some websites you can use to start a blog include WordPress, Wix, and Medium. There are also lots of free tutorials on YouTube that can teach you more about how to start blogging. Now let's talk about selling ebooks. Similar to blogging, you can earn great passive income by creating and selling ebooks. You can sell the ebook itself and also include affiliate links in the content. The best part is that you don't need to already have an audience to sell your ebook. You can use websites like Amazon and Google Play to publish your ebook because there are already millions of people actively using those websites and ready to spend money. Now, what if you could just write and send an email and earn thousands of dollars within seconds? This may seem too good to be true, but people from all around the world are doing this as we speak. What's great about starting your own email newsletter is that it's a super low barrier to entry. Starting an email newsletter is far easier than any other type of content creation. The only thing you need is either a phone or a computer. It's also free to start, up to a certain point. The majority of platforms will allow you to grow your newsletter up to 1,000 subscribers before they start charging you. When it comes to starting and writing your own newsletter, a very crucial step of the process is to offer your audience a bunch of free upfront value. After you've developed a solid relationship with your audience, you can start to promote and sell certain things, whether it's affiliate products or your own products. This is something that you'll have to do actively and consistently, as people will constantly need to stay up to date and will expect weekly emails from you. If you are unsure about what to write, just think about things that you either know a lot about or are passionate about and interested in. What might be the best part about starting your own newsletter is that you will own your own audience. This is extremely valuable. Most other online platforms like YouTube and social media will constantly change their algorithms, making it very difficult to connect and reach all or most of your audience. Social media platforms also come and go, whereas email has existed since the inception of the internet and will be around forever. But aside from earning passive income, if you'd like to start earning some cash right now, click this video here to learn how you can earn $540 in 30 minutes using Google Translate and Gmail.